Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and yes, we're going to go through the languages that are available on the Google Pixel 2 XL. Now, this is a video that a lot of people request me because I'm in the UK. A lot of people export phones from the UK outside of the UK. So yeah, that's the reason why I do these videos. I have a lot of people that request them, so let's have a quick look. So what you need to do is to check yours as well, see if it's any different, is go to your settings. And then you want to scroll down and you want to go to System, which is Languages and Input. Tap on that. And then at the top, as you can see, this is Languages. So what we'll do is actually zoom in a little bit so you can hopefully see it. Here we go. So if we click on Languages, it just says United Kingdom. You can add a second language. So if you click Add Language, here we go. We are now about to butcher a lot of languages. So yeah, wish me luck. So we've got Afrikaans, we've got Aghem, Agem, Akan, that's Anarkaskila, yeah, Azerbaijan, we've got Baha Melayu, Bamanakan, Bosnasaki, we've got Brezhongig, and then Bassa, and then Katala, that's just a guess, Katala, Sestina, we got Chimakode, we got Chishona, Zregnia, I got Danska, oh my word, what's that? Davisagomegalila, yeah, okay, we have Deutsch. We then have Duholuo. Not sure. To be honest, I've never seen some of these ones before. These are new to me. Donoserbiskina. Again, I am probably butchering these. If I'm saying anything completely wrong, let me know in a comment down below. We've then got Douala. We've got Edi Yoruba. SD. We've got Ekosi. Ekkosti, I guess. English, one of them that I kind of speak. Espanol. I've got Escara. I've got Eugb, Ewondo, Filipino. I know Filipino. Foyor, yes. We got French. I think it's French. I'm pretty much sure, but obviously we've got Furlan. We've got Gaelic, yeah. And we've got another version of that. We've got Gaelic, and then Gahiglig. I'm rubbish these. We've got Gallego. We've got Chik Uyuo, Hawassa, or Hawassa, Hibana. But honestly, I'm probably not going to go for any of these now. I'm not even halfway through, am I? Tell you what, I'm going to go just scroll through them and now and again say a few. Indonesia, way. Not a clue. Italiano, yeah, obviously. Pretty straightforward. I don't know what any of these ones are. So somebody down below, let me know what any of those are. So zoom back out a little bit. Because I'm honest with you, I do not have a bloody Scooby-Doo what some of these are. Look at that. Kiwis. Yeah, there are a hell of a lot. This device has the most languages I've ever known of any phone ever. And seriously, look, we can just keep going, and geez, we're getting a lot. We get Polski, sorry, Portuguese. I like the fact that I think, well, from my understanding, they're actually spelt in the correct way. So it's not an English version of Portuguese, which I like. Obviously, if you're not English, you're going to want your own spelling. Makes sense. Yeah, I mean, look at all these bad boys. There are a buttload of them. Jeez, man. Look at all them. Still going. Now we're getting to the ones that I would never be able to pronounce. Not that I could pronounce the other ones. Look at them bad boys. Jeez. Effectively, if you get this phone, your language is going to be on there. If your language has not been on here, then let me know what your language is down below. Because, I mean, look at that. That looks like somebody's made it up. And no offence if that's your language, but geez. Look at that. The hell? Jeez, man. Quite a few. Forget to focus, sorry, come back to it. Let's go back a little bit so you can see them. If you see yours, let me know in a comment down below. Seriously, I am very, very impressed by Google. I mean, just look at all these. And there we go, that's the final one. Booyah. Jeez, man, that is a hell of a lot of languages. That's a hell of a lot of languages. But again, I get a lot of people asking for this video because they want to know what's on there. So hopefully I went through slow enough for you. Go through it again if you've not, you probably see it. And my apologies for butchering a lot of the languages there. Yeah, I always find these videos pretty fun because, to be honest with you, I'm not a stupid guy, I'm relatively smartish. But languages, it's just not my forte at all. Yeah. It's one thing I can never get my head around. Anyway, that's it. They're the languages that come, or you can actually install on the Google Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL. Now, I assume that these should be available for the first Pixel as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm just going to guess this, that they're probably there purely for the fact due to Google Translate. So it's probably got a lot of that to do with it. Again, just a bit of a guess there. But yeah. Anyway, that's it. That is the languages on the Google Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL, because let's be honest, they are going to be the same. If you are new to the channel, then please smash the subscribe button. Go on. It's free. And go on, hit the like. You know you want to. Anyway, there are 2 of my previous videos on screen now as well as that subscribe button there. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully hear me. You might see me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.